Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can place a limit order on Robinhood. So in this one, we have 5 steps. So let's start with the first one, which is to select asset and start trade. So you can use the search function to locate the asset that you want to trade, like for example, Apple or Bitcoin. So it depends on you. And then just navigate to its details page. So next is to switch to limit order. So this step ensures your trade will only execute if the price hits your specified limit, rather than executing immediately at the current market price. Next is to set your limit price. So for a buy limit, this price must be below the current market price. Now for the sell limit, it must be above the current market price. So you have to take note on that. And then next is to input quantity and duration. So there will be days. So this one will cancel the order at market close, or the GTC keeps it active for up to 90 days or until it fills, whichever comes first. And lastly is to review and then submit. So your order is now placed, so it will sit open until the market hits your specific limit price or until the selected time duration expires. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!